Hey everybody, want to give you a look at the Kindle app on the iPad. Very excited to see this. I am, or I guess I should say was, a Kindle user, and so to see it on the iPad is pretty gratifying because it means I'll have one device that does everything for me. You can see I've got a bunch of books that I've downloaded from the archive. You can also go to see all the books you purchased and download them, just tap on them, and they will download as you tap on them, and then they'll drop out of the archived items and into your home. You can also view all your books as a list, and of course it fully supports rotation on the list. But this obviously isn't what you're here to see. You're here to see, how it looks to read. So let's jump into a book. And here we go. It actually remembers where I am in the book, which is pretty neat. It works in portrait and landscape mode. And here are the controls that you're offered. You can set a bookmark right here and get rid of it. You can also tap down here on this plus to add the bookmark if you don't want to reach up into that corner. You can go to bits in the book, your table of contents, your location, go right back to the cover even. It's pretty slick. And it does support this neat little page turning bit, just like iBooks. See what else we've got. You can change the text size. They offer several different sizes, all the way down, all the way up. So we'll put it into landscape mode here. Only lets you go so small. There you go. You can set it pretty small. You can also, which is pretty neat, set the area around the book to different colors to maybe improve your reading experience. And thank the Lord, there is also a brightness slider right here in this pop-up. And then you can tap here. Oh, I crashed it. You can tap there to sync to your most recent location, I think. So let's jump back into Cryptonomicon. And let's try synchronizing here. Retrieving furthest location. We got a pretty mediocre Wi-Fi connection here, I think. Yes, there we go. Now we're back to the first location. Now, one thing that you might be noticing here in landscape mode is I am pretty sure that there is no way to get two columns, which is ridiculous. I want two columns of books just like iBooks, but instead you can't, so you end up reading like this. Well, okay, maybe that text is a little bit big, so we'll change the text size to something smaller, and then I don't know, it's just, it's not a great reading experience because the screen is simply too big for me to want to read text, this far across. And I know that's kind of a niggle, and I really shouldn't complain because I've got ebooks here on the Kindle and all my Kindle books here, but they really need to fix that. And I crashed it again. Not good to see crashes. If you want, you can shop in the Kindle store, but it doesn't actually load up the store inside the app. It just takes you to Amazon's webpage, and then you can purchase the app here, or purchase the book, excuse me, here. So I don't know, what's a book that we might want to purchase? Let's rework. Oh, this looks good. I like Jason Frieden. Writes good stuff. Okay, so we'll just buy it with one click. Okay, I'm not signed in, but if I were, you'd buy the book and then you can jump back into your Kindle app and purchase it. So there you go. It's slightly better than the iPhone version in that it's prettier, but unfortunately you just you can't get two columns in landscape view, and that's pretty annoying. But hey, page turning, right? Huh? Alright, there you go. Oh, one more addendum. I just realized with this Kindle app, and I don't know why I didn't think of this, but I also don't see any way to search. You tap on the page, it there we go. Okay, so you can make highlights and you can add notes, so that's nice. and then you can go over your notes, which is pretty cool. Tap on this right here. We can just delete it. Yeah, there we go. So there's that, but it doesn't look to me like there's any good way to search across the book, which is disappointing. You can do that in iBooks. There you go. Quick addendum.